This right here is your engine protection, but it can slowly destroy it. It can be the same car, same driver, and the same engine. But the only difference is whether this oil gets changed on time or not. Most people think an oil change is routine maintenance, which is correct. But it is more than that. Motor oil is not just for lubricate your engine, it does other critical things. First, it reduces friction. Metal parts moving thousands of times per minute inside the engine do not touch each other. The oil makes a tiny wall between them, preventing contact and friction. Second, removes heat, especially in modern engines. Turbos and direct injection has a tight tolerances. Oil carries heat away from bearings, pistons, and valve train components. Third, cleans. All that carbon, microscopic metal are grabbed by the oil and send it to the oil filter that catch it all. And fourth, protects. It prevents corrosion and keeps seals conditioned. When oil breaks down, all of those protections start disappearing, and the engine doesn't complain right away, but it will. This is where people get fooled. You can skip one oil change, and your car will still running fine. Skip another, and probable will be still fine. But what is happening inside? The oil thickens, the additives break down, sludge starts forming, tiny oil passages start clogging, timing chains stretch faster, VVT solenoids get dirty, turbo bearings cook. And by the time you hear a noise, the damage has already been building for thousands of miles. Engines don't usually fail suddenly, they wear out early. Back in the day, engines were simpler. Thicker oil, lower pressures, fewer moving parts. But now, turbochargers spinning over 100,000 RPM, direct injection, increasing fuel dilution. The variable valve timing systems that depend on clean oil pressure to function. Modern engines are more efficient, but less forgiving. That 0W20 oil everyone jokes about? It's engineered for tight clearances and fuel economy. But it has to stay clean and within spec, stretching oil intervals without understanding driving conditions, short trips, heat, towing. That's how you shorten engine life without even realizing it. An oil change is a good time for inspection and catch anything failing on time before going worse. On the inspection I look at, oil condition, coolant contamination, sludge under the cap, leaks starting around seals, suspension, brakes, filter, and so. Sometimes the oil tells you something's wrong before the check engine light does. That's why this service matters. It's preventive, not reactive. Now let's talk about numbers. An oil change cost will save you in early timing chain job turbo replacement. Engine replacement routine oil changes save you thousands of dollars and the time you have to wait to get your car back from the mechanic. People think oil changes are basic. They're not basic. They're fundamental. You can neglect cosmetic stuff. You can delay upgrades. But if you respect the oil, the engine will usually respect you back. That's why oil changes matter more than you think.